Hello friends, welcome to Rani's Properties. Today we have a villa for sale in Pragati Nagar. If anyone new to this channel, please do subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified for all the videos which I post. Firstly, I am showing the elevation of this villa. This is a beautiful villa with internal lift till top floor. The house has a pretty spacious entry and completely secured with walls. This is the main entrance of this villa, which is east facing with 300 square yards and 4000 SFT construction area. The main door has east facing and opens into the hallway. This is a very spacious living area which is fitted with a TV unit. From the living area we can enter into dining area. This villa is located in a gated community with 60 villas and which is GHMC approved layout. Throughout the villa we can see the beautifully designed false ceiling. The left of the dining area we have a spacious modular kitchen. The kitchen is fitted with a granite slab and a chimney. This is a fully furnished luxury villa with all the furniture. It priced at 3.20 crore. The best quality used in construction, woodwork and false ceiling. You can see very pleasant and soothing colors throughout the house. From the kitchen area, you can make your way to master bedroom. The master bedroom is fully furnished and very spacious. In this room, we have a very modern attached washroom under the wardrobe. Coming to the first floor, we have a pretty spacious puja room. This puja room is beautifully designed and have a provision for storage unit. As I told you before, there is a provision for lift from ground floor to top floor. Right next to the puja room, again we have a master bedroom and have wardrobes and access to balcony. This property is 3 years old but very well maintained, each and everything in this house. This one is the door to access the balcony. This master bedroom is quite spacious and have TV unit also. From this door you can access to the dressing unit and attached washroom. All the washrooms is fitted with geysers. Right next to this bedroom we have another bedroom with attached washroom. This villa is located in a prime location. You can find all the supermarkets and international schools very nearby. All the necessary things we can get in a walkable distance. And we have one more room also in the top floor that we can use as a gym or office room as per our requirement. I'm just repeating once again about the main points of this villa. This is 300 square yards east facing 4000 square feet construction area in Pragati Nagar. For more details, please do check the description box below. And if you like the presentation, please hit the like button. And also please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications if I post any new property. I am providing the concerned person contact number for this property. You can give a call or WhatsApp. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching the video.